Hey friends, Joel Akira here. I often get requests for help with court cases, so I've decided to release Ticket Tazer, my perfected legal process for getting your case dismissed quickly and easily. Getting your case dismissed is a 1-2 punch. First, you hit them with boilerplate paperwork, and then, in open court, you verbally knock them out, and in so doing, crush the prosecution and get your case dismissed. The Ticket Tazer process is so effective, you will have won your case before you ever get to court. In this kit, you will receive 6 boilerplate documents with instructions on how to fill them out and properly serve them upon the prosecutor and the court. A dialogue of what to say, so you say the right things at the right time and don't say the wrong things at the wrong time, so you can verbally back up those boilerplate documents. We also expose the tricks the judge and district attorney may try to use against you and show you how to easily get around them. And to top things off, we provide one-on-one assistance and document review to virtually guarantee your dismissal. Ticket Tazer is a jurisdictional challenge process I began refining back in 2004, and I've shared it with many of you over the years. Ticket Tazer works for a variety of legal issues, not just traffic. It also has been used successfully in family court, protection from abuse cases, and even works on drunk driving cases where there's no harm, injury, or loss. If you will simply follow the instructions exactly as presented, the dismissal of your case is virtually assured. This is a quality tool that will serve you well time and time again. Make no mistake, Ticket Tazer kicks the court's butt. The very first time I used the Ticket Tazer process in open court, the judge had the district attorney take me into a back room where the district attorney offered me a veiled threat. Quoting, he said, "The judges in the state are powerful people, and they don't like what you're doing. You may want to keep your information to yourself." Apparently, I had scared them so badly, they felt compelled to scare me back. The bad news is they threatened me if I release this process to you. The good news is those dummies showed me their poker hand, and I knew immediately I had something very, very special. Please understand the chance I am taking releasing this to you. You may want to consider purchasing a copy while you can get it, whether you need it immediately or not. Personally, I keep a complete set of undated documents handy as kind of a damage control kit, both in my car and with a close friend, just in case the Gestapo drags me to jail. Today, I am offering the Ticket Tazer process, which contains everything you need to get your case dismissed, including the 6 boilerplate documents with complete instructions, the dialogue to read in open court. You also get the instructions on dealing with judicial tricks, as well as support materials so you have a full understanding of what you are doing and why the Ticket Tazer method works so very well. And if you have any questions, there is always the one-on-one assistance as well as document review to make sure everything is in order. You get all this for a donation of only $100. And you may want to order early and have it on hand, as the Ticket Tazer process generally takes 18 days to complete, though it has been done in 12. For your convenience, the Ticket Tazer website is set up so you can download the first step in the process and begin immediately, even before sending your donation. Never fear going to court again. To get your kit and begin process immediately, please visit ticket-tazer.com. That's Tazer with a Z, ticket-tazer.com. Thank you so very much for listening.